Christmas is coming, and today I would like to show you a dish which you can surprise your family. It is a very easy and simple dish, and it takes just 5 minutes to cook it. I'll show you how to make garlic prawns. And for the prawns, you can use either fresh prawns or frozen prawns. If you use fresh prawns, just remove the shells and the vein. Always remember to use kitchen towel to dry the prawns before you cook it, to remove the excess water. So firstly, we're gonna add a little bit of oil in the pan and then pan fry the prawns until it's got golden brown for both sides, and then set aside. Use the same pan, add a little bit of oil and then add the garlic. The quantity of garlic is up to you. If you like garlic, you can add more garlic as well. Stir fry the garlic for about 30 seconds to release aroma, and then add the prawns and then stir fry for about 30 seconds to combine. After that, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Combine well with the prawns, and then add about a 1/4 cup of water to make the sauce. Bring the water to boil and then simmer the shrimps for about 1 to 2 minutes to let the shrimp to absorb the sauce. We are almost done. Add the cornstarch water, about 1 tablespoon and a little bit of water, and add into the sauce and then to thicken the sauce. The thickness is up to you. Add a little bit of spring onion and stir fry for about 30 seconds to remove the grassy taste of the spring onion. And that's it. Then this is done. Very simple and easy. You can have these garlic prawns with rice, but because of Christmas, it goes very well with smashed potato as well. You can also use this garlic sauce in other meat as well, like chicken or pork. Up to you. It tastes really good. Give it a try. It is really tasty, simple and quick, and I'm sure you can surprise your family. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. I'll see you next time.